How do you divide numbers that are too large to do in your head? Long division helps by breaking the work into 4 simple steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Let's set up our first problem, 84 divided by 4. In this example, 4 is the divisor and 84 is the dividend. Step 1, divide. 4 goes into 8 2 times. Write the 2 above the 8. Step 2, multiply. 2 times 4 equals 8. Write the 8 under the 8. Step 3, subtract. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Step 4, bring down. Bring down the 4. Now repeat the steps. Divide. 4 goes into 4 1 time. Write the 1 above the 4. Multiply. 1 times 4 equals 4. Subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0. There is nothing left to bring down. The answer is 21. This result is also referred to as the quotient. These 4 steps always repeat in the same order: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Each step must be completed before moving to the next one. One important reminder: be sure to write each digit of your answer directly above the digit you are dividing into. Keeping your work aligned in columns will keep the place values correct. Now it's your turn. 90 divided by 6. Let's work through it together. First step, divide. 6 goes into 9 how many times? 1 time. Write the 1 above the 9. Next, multiply. 1 times 6 equals what? 6. Write it under the 9. Now, subtract. 9 minus 6 equals what? The answer is 3. Bring down the 0 to make 30. Divide again. 6 goes into 30 how many times? 5 times. Write the 5 above the 0. Multiply. 5 times 6 equals? It's 30. Subtract. 30 minus 30 equals? Yes, 0. There is nothing left to bring down. The answer is 15. Now you know how to use long division. Remember the 4 steps are divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down.